Hello my dear students, let's learn arithmetic progression exercise 1.3 of 10th standard 19th problem. 200 logs are staked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? Logs means wood piece. There are total 200 logs which are staked. It means 20 logs in the bottom row. I will show like this. There are 20 pieces like 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. It is up to 20 logs, that is wood pieces, are in the bottom row. It is kept here, and over that 19 logs, take it up to 19 logs over that. In the same way, on that 18 logs are kept in the same way, 17, 16, 15, and it goes on like that. There are total 200 logs. The question is, in how many rows are the 200 logs are placed? It means it is the first row, it is the second row, and it is the third row. The total number of logs are 200. 20 plus 19 plus 18. If we going to add like that, somewhere it reaches the 200. The question is, at what row the 200 logs will be placed, and the second question is how many logs are in the top row. It means it is the bottom row, and at the end we will reach the top row also, and we have to say the number of row. It means it is the first one, second one, third one, and it reaches the top row when the 200 logs are completely closed. So we have to say the number of the row and how many rows are there. We have to say two answers for this question. Let's start the answer. The bottom one is 20, then 19, then 18, and goes on like this, 17, 18. A equals 20, D equals 19 minus 20, that is minus 1. Then the total number of logs is given as 200. I will take it as Sn. Then we have to say n. It means the number of rows. Use this formula. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 200, n as it is 2, a means 20 plus n as it is, and d is minus 1. Do the cross multiplication. 200 into 2 equals n, 22 is 40. Then we can do multiplication. N, here it is plus, plus into minus, minus, n ones are n, minus into minus plus, 1 ones are 1. Then 200 into 2, 400, n as it is 40, plus into minus, minus n, plus into plus plus 1. Next 400 equals n, 40 plus 1, both are having the like sign, so it is 41 minus n. Next 400 equals n into 41, 41 n minus n into n, n square. Now make the proper arrangement of this. Minus n square plus 41n, bring here, minus 400 equals 0. Remove the minus sign. We will get n square minus 41n plus 400 equals 0. Here we have to make the factorization for this. First multiply first number and last number, 1 into 400. 1 into 400 we will get 400. Do circle to this and compulsorily take the multiplication sign, and after that take the sign before the last number, that is plus. Now we have to take the such numbers. If we multiply we should get 400, and if we add we should get 41. We have to select that type of number. So let's take the LCM for this. 400, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 250s are 100, 225s are 50, and finally we can take 5 into 5. Here we got some numbers for the LCM. You can make any combinations to get such number, but here I will make 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Here 5 5s are 25. It means 25 plus 16 is 41. 25 into 16 equals 400. Now I will take here n square, write minus sign, and instead of 41n I am going to use 25 and 16. First write 25n. Here we have to get 41 by the addition, so we have to continue the same sign, 16n, then plus 400 equals 0. Make the two groups, take n as common, then n minus 25. Here we can take 16 as common, n minus into plus minus, 16 2s are 32, 8 remains, 16 5s are 80. Now n, if we get both these numbers equal, then we are in the right way. N minus 25 into n minus 16 equals 0. Next take n minus 25 equals 0, n minus 16 equals 0. Next n equals 25 and n equals 16, or I just bring 25 here after the equals, so it is plus 25 and plus 16. Here we got both the positive value. Now we have to check which one is the correct answer by applying the formula. If one of them is negative, then we can easily select the positive number, but here both are positive numbers, so we have to check both the numbers by applying the formula. Now an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Now I will take 20 n equals 25 and n equals 16. I can take 25 first. A means 20 and n means 25 minus 1 and d is minus 1. Now a 25 equals 20 plus 25 minus 1, 24 into minus 1. A 25 equals 20 plus into minus minus 24. A 25 equals minus 4, that is negative. So it should not be the answer. Let's try by taking n as 16. An equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Now A16 equals 20 plus 16 minus 1 into D means minus 1. A16 equals 20 plus 15 into minus 1. A16 equals 20 plus into minus 15. A16 equals 5. Here we got the positive value, that is 5. It means 5 rows are staked by the 200 logs. It means I will write like this: 200 logs can be placed in 16 rows. I will select this 16 rows. 16 rows are necessary to place 200 logs, and the number of the rows are 5. It means 5 rows are necessary to keep the 200 logs, and it is the 16th row. It means 20th, 19, 18. In the same way, in the 16th row 200 logs are placed, and from the bottom, if we count the number of rows, it is the 5th row. It is the answer for the question. If you like the video, please share and subscribe it. I will meet you with the next problem in the next video. Thank you.